Start. Good morning, class 8th, subject science, lesson 1, topic crop production and management. Preparations of soil. It is the last week of May. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. The loosened soil helps in the growth of earthworm and microbes present in the soil. Tilling or ploughing. The process of losing and turning of the soil is called tilling or ploughing. This is done by using a plough. A plough is made of wood and iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. Bullocks and tractors are used to till field. Now next, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सॉइल. खेत में फील्ड में सबसे पहले ज़मीन को खोदा जाता है बैलों के थ्रू, ब्लॉक्स या ट्रैक्टर से. ऊपर नीचे मिट्टी की जाती है. इसी प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? टिलिंग कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट, leveling. Leveling can also be done by a heavy wooden plank attached to a tractor. By leveling, the field gets covered with softened soil. This reduces loss of moisture from the soil. Once the field is level, it is ready for sowing seed. सीड छिड़कने के लिए ज़मीन का उलटना पुलटना को बराबर किया जाता है. सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स. सेकंड इज सोइंग ऑफ सीड्स. द सीड्स यूज्ड फॉर कल्टिवेशंस आर स्पेशली ग्रोन. It is also ensured that the seeds are free from the seeds of weeds. Sowing is the process of introducing seed into the soil. Good quality seeds are needed for growing crops. Figures में सीड दिखाया गया है. सीड्स. Now next one, the sowing of wheat seeds is done using a seed drill. The seed drill is made by connecting a few narrow pipes to a funnel at the top. Preparing seedling in a nursery in some crops such as paddy, rice, chili, onion. The seeds are first sown in a separate plot called a nursery. Third, irrigation. Irrigation is the process of providing water to a field through man-made. It is mainly alone through a network of pipes and channels. Canals connected to dams, well, wells, ponds, lakes, and rivers are source of irrigation. Irrigation and the types of crops. Irrigation and weather condition. Irrigation and types of soil. Traditional method of irrigation. Pulley system and Rahat system. Pulley system is the most commonly used method to lift water from wells. कुएं से पानी निकाला जाता है, उसे कहते हैं पुले सिस्टम, और उससे सिंचाई होती है. एंड राहत सिस्टम is a system of several metal containers fixed to a long strong rope or a chain. It is used to lift water from a well with the help of cattle. Modern method of irrigation. Drip irrigations. खेतों में लंबे लंबे पाइप लगा के प्लांट्स के पास ड्रिप्स कर दिए जाते हैं. एफिशिएंट मेथड. वाटरी प्लांट्स द हेल्प ऑफ पाइप, जो कि सप्लाई किससे होते हैं? पाइप के थ्रू प्लांट्स में पानी पहुंचता है. नेक्स्ट, farmer Farmers use chemical fertilizers such as urea, potash, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Difference between manure and chemical fertilizer. Manure rich is humus, natural substance obtained by decompositions plant and animals. Chemical fertilizer does not contain humus, inorganic salts produced in factories. Next, protecting the crop from weeds. Weeds reduce the crop yield because they compete with crop for water, soil, nutrient, light, and space. Weeds are highly adapted plants. Weeds have a number of features that help them to spread easily. वीड जो खेतों में जंगली पेड़ उगाते हैं उन्हें हटाया जाता है क्योंकि वो नुकसान करते हैं खेतों को. नेक्स्ट, पेस्ट कंट्रोल. Pests are animals that damage crop. Mice, rats, birds, insects, and insect larvae are common pests. They destroy or reduce the yield of crops. Insects and insect larvae cause a lot of damage to crops. कीड़े जो है खेतों को नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं उनके लिए. दे डैमेज द प्लांट्स बाय ईटिंग द लीव्स, सकिंग प्लांट ज्यूस, डैमेजिंग फ्रूट. सम कॉमन पेस्ट दैट डैमेज प्लांट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ग्रॉस हॉपर, बीटल, एक्सेट्रा. पेस्टिसाइड्स. पेड़ों पे आफ्टर प्लांट्स तैयार जब हो जाते हैं उसके बाद पेस्टिसाइड्स करते हैं. फार्मर्स स्प्रे द पेस्टिसाइड्स. Chemicals used to kill insect pests and their larvae are called pesticides. They are sprayed directly on plants before they flower. Next, harvesting. Seventh is harvesting. The removal of crop from the field when the produce is ready is called harvesting. In some field, harvesting is done manually by using a sickle. Sickle is made up of iron and wood. फिगर्स में शो है सिकल, इसे हसिया कहते हैं. Now next one is storage. Last, eighth, storage. Storage of produce is an important task. If the crop grains are to be kept for longer time, they should be safe from moisture, insect, rats, and microorganisms. Storage are two types: cold storage and dry storage. Cold storage, fruits and vegetables spoil faster in warm conditions. Preserving fruits and vegetables for a longer time is by storing them at appropriate lower temperature. It is essential that produce is placed in the cold storage as quickly as possible. Dry storage. Microorganisms that spoil food grains need water, moisture to live. Grain and pulse are thoroughly sun-dried to reduce their water content to prevent the growth of microorganisms. Dry grains and pulses are stored in large rooms called granaries. Granaries are secured with proper doors and windows to protect grain from rainwaters and rat. Food from animals, milk, poultry, bird flu, avian flu. Avian flu disease that caused by a kind of virus that affects poultry's birds such as chickens and turkeys. Birds flu by coming in contact with feces, secretions, or saliva of a bird having bird flu. Thank you. complete your crop productions and management topic, and next lesson start tomorrow in the morning. Thanks.